What's 12,345 plus 56,789? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Computers are incredibly
69.
powerful machines, capable of performing amazing feats like playing competitive chess, serving thousands of web pages,
What is
or making
JavaScript?
millions of complex calculations in less than a few seconds. But deep down, computers are actually pretty dumb. Computers can only do exactly what we humans tell them to do. We tell computers how to behave using computer programs, which are just sets of instructions for the computers to follow. Without programs, computers can't do anything at all. Even worse, computers can't understand English or any other spoken language. Computer programs are written in a programming language like JavaScript. You might not have heard of JavaScript before, but you've certainly used it. The JavaScript programming language is used to write programs that run in web pages. JavaScript can control how a web page looks or make the page respond when a viewer clicks a button or moves the mouse. Sites like Gmail, Facebook, and Twitter use JavaScript to make it easier to send email, post comments, or browse websites. For example, when you're on Twitter reading tweets from Nostitch and you see more tweets at the bottom of the page as you scroll down, that's JavaScript in action. You only have to visit a couple of websites to see why JavaScript is so exciting. JavaScript lets you play music and create amazing visual effects. For example, you can fly through an interactive music video created by Hello Enjoy for Ellie Goulding's song Lights. http://lights.helloenjoy.com/ as shown in Figure 1-1. JavaScript lets you build tools for others to make their own art. http://www.patative.com/ is a kind of virtual drum machine that creates all kinds of cool noises and cool animations to go along with them as shown in Figure 1-2. Figure 1-1. You control the flashing cursor in Hello Enjoy's Lights music video. Figure 1-2. When you visit Patative, try pressing a bunch of keys to make different noises. JavaScript lets you play fun games. See you. Bislam https://www.cubislam.com/ is a 3D recreation of the classic game Pong, which looks a little like air hockey. Yo. You can play against one of your friends or a computer-generated bear, as shown in Figure 1-3. Figure 1-3. The Cube Slam game is programmed entirely in JavaScript. JavaScript isn't the only programming language out there. In fact, there are literally hundreds of programming languages. But there are many reasons to learn JavaScript. For one, it's a lot easier and more fun to learn than many other programming languages. But perhaps best of all, in order to write and run JavaScript programs, all you need is a web browser like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or Google Chrome. Every web browser comes with a JavaScript interpreter that understands how to read JavaScript programs. Once you've written a JavaScript program, you can send people a link to it, and they can run it in a web browser on their computer, too. See sharing your code using JSFiddle. Let's write a bit of simple JavaScript in Google Chrome. http://www.google.com/chrome/. Install Chrome on your computer if it's not already installed, and then open it and type about blank in the address bar. Now press enter and you'll see a blank page, like the one in Figure 1-4. Well, begin by coding in Chrome's JavaScript console, which is a secret way programmers can test out short JavaScript programs. On Microsoft Windows or Linux, hold down the Control and Shift keys and press J. On macOS, hold down the Command and Option keys and press J. If you've done everything correctly, you should see a blank web page and, beneath that, a blinking cursor next to a right angle bracket, as shown in figure 1 to 4. T. That's where you'll write JavaScript. Note the Chrome console will color your code text. For example, the text you input will be blue, and output will be colored based on its type. In this book, we'll use similar colors for our code text wherever we're using the console. Figure 1 to 4. Go. Ogle Chrome's JavaScript console. When you enter code at the cursor and press enter, JavaScript should run, or execute, your code and display the result if any on the next line. For our example, type this into the console. Let's create something a bit sillier, a JavaScript program to print a series of cat faces that look like this. Eyes closed, smiley. Unlike our addition program, this